guys! Today, I'm going to talk about the animal astronauts. No, I'm not kidding. It's true there were some animal astronauts. Before humans ventured into the space, we sent a lot of animals. Can you guess why? No, not for the animals to explore space. It's for us to see if they can survive in this space. Okay, but without further ado, let's start with the first animal to go to space. You want a hint? Okay. It's an insect. Quite common. Kind of nuisance. You want to guess? Okay, I'll give you some time to guess. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes! You're right. It's fruit flies. Hard to believe, right? They were launched in space in 1947 on Nazi V2 rocket and reached altitude of 108 kilometers. I think they were dead in space. No, they were recovered alive by parachute. Hard to believe, right? Who would have thought? Fruit flies. Number 2 is a very close relative to human. Number 2 is Albert. By the way, Albert is a monkey. Yes, in 1949, Albert II became the first monkey to go to space. He also took a V2 rocket and reached an altitude of 134 kilometers, but not like the fruit flies, he didn't able to make it alive. Unfortunately, he died in the impact after parachute failure. On the third place is a rodent. Yes, a mouse was sent to space in 1950. He built to reach the altitude of 137 kilometers, and again he didn't also make it alive during a parachute failure. Several other mice were also launched during the 1950s. In 1950s, Soviet Union or modern-day Russia started launching stray dogs into space. About 12 dogs. Can you guess why they chose stray dogs? Stray dogs were thought to withstand extreme cold. But in 1957, the famous dog Laika became the first living being to orbit the Earth in Sputnik 2. Yet again, she also died several hours because of stress and heat. In 1959, Abel and Baker successfully returned to Earth after spaceflight. Finally, some good news. They made it alive. Oh, I didn't tell you. Abel's a rhesus monkey, Baker is a squirrel monkey. Lucky, guys! Then again, in 1959, a floppy friend was able to go to space. Yes, the first rabbit to go to the space. Just imagine, it would be funny watching a rabbit in space. In 1960, Belk and Strelke, 2 dogs, 42 mice, 2 rats, and fruit flies joined the ride. And they all made it alive. That was a good trip. You might be wondering where the chimps and why they are late to the party. They joined the space group in 1961. Actually, 2 chimps joined the CHIMPANZEE and ENOS. They flew in a Mercury spacecraft. Yes, you can relax. They made it alive. Okay, what are we missing now on the list? The French launched the first cat in 1963, and Felicette also landed safely. And I know she landed safely because cats always land on their feet. Just kidding! But the way she able to reach the altitude of 160 kilometers. In 1966, Veteran and Olga made the record of longest space flight of 22 days. These two Russian space dogs goes in record books in style. Impressive. Okay, let me show you animal astronaut that you will be surprised. I'll give you a hint. It's slow, but not a sloth, and even not a snail. Yes, it's a tortoise. Actually, a Russian tortoise. If I'm able to surprise you, tell me in the comments below. In 1968, the tortoise circled the moon in Soviet Zone 5 spacecraft, but apparently is not that taught enough to withstand space, and along with another tortoise, he got killed in the return trip. In 1960, NASA also started launching animals. And that was pig-tailed monkey. It died of heart attack hours after landing. In 1973, two European garden spiders named Arabella and Anita sent to NASA Space Station Skylab for 59 days. Still today, animals were flown into space for research to bacteria, the jellyfish. And more of these are called biological payloads. We came so far since the first fruit fly that ventured into the space. On 2019, July 20th, we're celebrating our 51st anniversary in the moon landing. So many animals had sacrificed their lives for us to explore the space. This is a tribute for all the unsung animal heroes of our space journey. Salute! If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to press the notification button. Signing off, this is Z from Zion's World.